Welcome to this quick overview of welding positions from 1G to 6G. Whether you are new to welding or brushing up on your fundamentals, understanding these, the 1G position is the flat or downhand position. Here, the workpiece lies flat, and the welder moves the torch or electrode horizontally across. Next is 2G or the horizontal position. In this setup, the weld axis is horizontal, and the face of the weld is vertical. The welder must control the molten pool carefully to prevent sagging. This position is common in structural welding, such as beams and columns. The 3G position involves welding vertically, either upward or downward. Welders must manage heat and puddle control, too hot, and the metal runs, too cold, and there's poor penetration. This position is key in pipeline and heavy structure work, and mastering it takes good technique and patience. In the 4G position, welders work overhead. The molten metal wants to drip due to gravity, so maintaining a steady hand, proper angle, and correct travel speed is crucial. It's one of the more challenging positions and often used for ceilings, overhead beams, and repair work. The 5G position applies to pipe welding. Here, the pipe is fixed horizontally and can't be rotated. The welder moves around the pipe, starting underneath, up the sides, and across the top. This simulates real-world conditions. Finally, the 6G position, one of the toughest and most respected tests in welding. The pipe is fixed at a 45-degree angle, meaning the welder must handle flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead welds all in one joint. Passing a 6G test often qualifies a welder for all lower positions, making it a top certification in the industry. From 1G to 6G, each position builds skill, precision, and confidence. Whether on flat plate or pipe at an angle, mastering these positions defines your ability to adapt to any welding challenge.